without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day.
Congratulations, Mark and Wing, on your wedding. Good luck, God bless, and congratulations.
Yeah, I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay, I say,
Mark and Gwen, congrats, best wishes, and God bless.
when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are.
Mark and Wing, congratulations sa inyong kasal. Sana maging maligaya kayo at mag-isang din ninyo. Congratulations.
And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are.
I'm Mark and Wing. Congratulations sa kasal nyo. Sana huwag niyo nakalimutan si Lord sa kasal nyo. God bless and see you soon.
Hi Mark, hi Wayne. This is Gabe Norwood of Rain or Shine. Just congratulating you on your marriage. It's a beautiful thing. Love is beautiful. I love love. Enjoy it. Best wishes and prayers. God bless.
Her lips, I could kiss them all day if she'd let me. Her laugh, she hates but I think it's so sexy. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day.
Para sa wedding, Mark and Wayne, sana magtagal kayo and na-stay happy and in love.
Oh, you know I never ask you to change. If perfect's what you're searching for, then just stay the same. So don't even bother asking if you look okay. You know I'll say.
Hello Mark and Wayne, I just wanna wish you guys all the best sa bago nyong kasal ninyo. Congratulations first and foremost. This is always a milestone in anybody's lives. But at the same time, good luck din. Kasi ako dapat alam ko, di ba? Kasi kakapakasal ko lang rin. And of course, it will entail a lot of sacrifices and giving in. At saka yung pasensya natin, kailangan natin habaan ng konti. So, importante masaya kayo sa isa't isa. And you have God in the center of your life. So, good luck to you guys and all the best.
Hi Mark and Wing, congratulations and of course best wishes sa inyong dalawa and God bless sa inyo. Kayong umulat sa akin.
When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are.
Congratulations, Mark and Wing, on your wedding day. Wishing you all the best in life.
Hi Mark and Weng, best wishes. Kasal nila pala sa December 5.
14.
14?
December 14.
Tanga-tanga ako. Ayun yung nabalitaan ko. Anyways, God bless. Sana mas lalo pa humaba yung relasyon niyo sa isa't isa. Merry Christmas!
And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are.
Mark and Wayne, congratulations sa wedding. Sana magtuloy-tuloy at huwag kayo mag-aaway.
The way you are, girl, you're amazing, just the way you are.
Mark and Wayne, congratulations. Gaya na sinasabi ng mga pare, humayo kayo at magparami. Congrats!
Congratulations po, best wishes, Tito Mark and Tita Weng.
Okay.
Lagi po kayo, Ma. I love you. I love you. Choo-choo.
It's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey, baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this?
To Mark and Weng, congratulations and God bless you both. Eto na. Consummation time, mamaya! Congratulations and may you both be blessed with a wonderful marriage for the rest of your lives. God bless.
Mark and Weng, ikakasal ka na. Ikakasal ka na. Congratulations!
Dancing Jews. Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you. Well, I know this little chapel on the boulevard we can go. No one will know. Oh, come on.
Hi Mark and Weng. I'm so blessed, no, na narinig ko you're going to get married. Pero hindi madali yan, no? As far as I know, kasi may pamilya na rin ako. Pero kino-congratulate ko kayo, no, for, you know, settling all things na decide kayo going to get married. Hopefully, magkaroon kayo agad ng baby kasi that's an automatic blessing. At sana, always put God in your middle, no, of your relationship. Kasi hindi kayo pwede magkamali pag si Lord yung inuna nyo. Anything na you wanted to put on, kung ano man yung malaki man yan o maliit na wedding, always ask God's will first. And you know, dadating din yung mga blessings, madali na yan. Kasi importante, magmahalan kayo ng Diyos. And congratulations in advance. I heard December 14, ano? Hopefully, magkita-kita tayo these days. And para makapagpapicture or makongratulate ko kayo personal. God bless you, more power, and advance wedding day. God bless you.
Come on, girl. Who cares if we're trash? Got a pocket full of cash we can blow.
Hi, Mark and Weng. I know your wedding bell is coming to town. Congratulations and may you have 20 kids. 2 boys, 2 girls. 2 boys, 2 girls. Or maybe 3 boys, 3 girls. Is that enough? Okay, Mark and Weng, good luck and God bless you. Congratulations.
Shots of Patron, and it's on, girl. Don't say no, 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 no.
Hi, Mark and Weng. Gusto ko lang sana kayong bigyan ng isang palaisipan. Ang pag-asawa ay hindi parang kaning mainit na pagkapasok ay iluluwa. Tandaan nyo, you are going to build a lifelong relationship. Pangalawa, you are going to build something that is called a partnership for life. Kaya kailangan ng masusing pagpapasensya, pag-iis, pakikisama, at pagbaba ng pride. Mga bagay na natutunan ko na dahil ako ay I've been married for the last 25 years. So I wish you luck and keep on putting God in front of your togetherness. At higit sa lahat, make sure that you always have fun together. Mahal ang mag-travel ngayon. Siguraduhin nyo yung mga ninong nyo galante. At higit sa lahat, make sure that you feel your togetherness with much love at full of excitement para hindi nawawala yung thrill in staying together because getting married, it takes a lot of effort and sacrifice to make it work. Yan ang lagi yung tatandaan. Congratulations in advance at ipitin nyo yung mga panggastos nyo kasi magastos yan. Enjoy and I would like to wish you an advance Merry Christmas sa regalo nyo sa sarili.
No, no, no. Just say yeah, 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 yeah. And we'll go, 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 go.
Sir Mark and Weng, congratulations sa wedding nyo on December 14. God bless you and mabagal na mga yapak ngayon yan. Seriously, Mark, best wishes. Malamang maglalaba ka na ng lampin agad. Okay. And Weng, sana'y maging maligaya ang pagsasama nyo. Katulad ng mga masasayang kantang sinulat ng tatay ni Mark. Ulit ko, sundan mo lang ang yapak, mabagal na maglakad yan. Okay, sa inyong dalawa, Weng and Mark, all the best.
It's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I